Welcome back again. We are still learning our kitchen verbs. For each Igbo word or sentence, you will see the English way of saying it right under it. Why I said English way of saying it and not translation is because some Igbo words when translated they mean different thing or they sound funny. So why some when translated it means the same thing. So each word or sentence you will see the way you say it in English right under it. So let's get to Igbo kitchen verb. Yela. Yela means the food is done already. Yela. Yela. The food is done, ready for eating. So I will use yela to explain what I mean by the English way of saying it. If you want to say the food is done and you want to translate it to English, you will say Nya adigo. Or if you want to say I'm done cooking, you will say Esichego mri. But in Igbo we say yela nya eyego. Nya yela. Hope this is understandable now. Okay, let's go right to sentence we made with yela. Hela, which means the food is ready for eating. Sentence example. Nri a ehela ka ọ bụ na ehebeghị ma ugbu a. Nri a ehela ka ọ bụ na ehebeghị ma ugbu a. Kwuchie and kwupe. Kwuchie close. Kwupe open. Sentence example. Gịnị mere iji kwupe ite nri ahụ? Kwuchie ya ugbu a. Gịnị mere iji kwupe ite nri ahụ? Kwuchie ya ugbu a. Sinye, place on. Rọtuo, bring down. Sinye, rọtuo. These two verbs are only used in the kitchen when talking about putting a pot on the fire and bringing it down. Sentence example. Rọtuo ite ahụ isinyere n'ekwu. Rọtuo ite ahụ isinyere n'ekwu. Ekwu is like stove or gas or anything you're using to cook. Rọtuo ite nri ahụ isinyere n'ekwu. Wetuo and wego. Wetuo, bring down. Wego, take up or bring up. Sentence example. Wetuo ite a n'elu ebe ahụ iwegoro ya. Ka aka m wee ruo ya. Again. Wetuo ite a n'elu ebe ahụ iwegoro ya. Ka aka m wee ruo ya. Butuo and bugo. Carry it down or lift it down. Bugo is lift it up or carry it up. Butuo, down. Bugo, up. Sentence example. Butuo ikwe a n'ala. Biko, bugo ya elu ma ịsụcha. Butuo ikwe a n'ala. Biko, bugo ya elu ma ịsụcha. Ọ dị mma. Ọkwa ịmụtago ya. So since you feel like you have learned how to use your kitchen Igbo verb, let's take a quick test. You know how we do it? You have to pause the next page while you check your knowledge and translate and make new sentences using these verbs over here. Let's go to it. Pause now. Thank you so much for coming to learn Igbo, following my channel and subscribing. Please share so that your friends can also participate in learning this wonderful language, Igbo language. Kemesiano.